Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Quality Inn Moses Lake. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Located in Moses Lake, this Washington hotel is 4 miles from the Centennial Amphitheater. Featuring guest rooms equipped with free Wi-Fi, this motel offers an indoor pool and laundry facilities. Each bright room at Quality Inn Moses Lake includes a fridge and microwave. Comfortably furnished, all rooms feature a desk and seating area. A 24-hour reception is offered at the Quality Inn Moses Lake. A business center offering fax and photocopying services is available for added convenience. Winter fun is available at the Municipal Ice Skating Rink 3.5 miles from the motel. The White Heron Winery is 50 minutes drive away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.